Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Beedrill from Pokemon. Let's start with the head first. Draw an ellipse. Extend a curve from ellipse and make a sharp point. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw a new shape for the upper body. Draw an ellipse for the lower body. Detail the body. Draw a fang at the lower body end. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw stick lines for the leg position. Draw leg. Draw leg. Draw hand. Draw drill pit at the end of hand. Draw hand. Draw drill pit at the end of hand. Draw antenna on the head. Draw antenna on the head. Draw wing. Draw wing. Detail the wing. Detail the wing. Draw wing. Detail the wing. Draw wing. Detail the wing. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.